Hi everyone. So I wanted to make this quick video to show you how to find the Ender 3 or the printer motherboard version. So this is the old Ender 3 board, and you can see here it's printed on the board that says version 1.1.4. The newer one will start with 4, like usually 4.2.2 or 4.2.7, depends. So that's the only reliable way to know the motherboard version. Now, to know the software, like the firmware version, that should be in the About section. And I'm going to show you that next. Also, real quick, I'm going to show you how to get to this motherboard on the Ender 3. So let's go to the printer and I'll show you the About section and then how to actually open up the cover to get to the motherboard and read the version number. So let's do that. So this is my Ender 3, and if I go to the About section, you see this About printer. Here, it tells me my firmware version. This is not the motherboard version. This is the firmware version. But there's nowhere here that it would show the motherboard version. The motherboard, you would have to open up this case here. So there are two screws here on top, and then there's one behind the bed. So if you pull the bed, there should be one in the back. You see it right there. These three screws, and then you would remove this case kind of cover here. You should be able to see the motherboard version without having to like pull any wires or anything. So I would take off the cover, look at it, or maybe take a picture, then you can zoom in, and that's the only reliable way to kind of get the motherboard version. And yeah, sometimes you can get it on the user manual, sometimes it's written on the listing where you purchase the printer, but to be 100% sure, and the only guaranteed and reliable way is to actually get to the motherboard. This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.